Welcome back, everybody, to day 2 of my New York vlog series thing. And we are going to a restaurant, and then we're going to go to a cat cafe called Koneko. And I'll put an image of it on the screen right now. It's going to be awesome, and we're going to go pet some cats at the cat cafe.
Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
So excited for the cat cafe. Here we are at Koneko.
Hi, thank you, Barbara. Thank you for mailing that stuff out. Oh yeah, no worries. Thanks. Hi guys.
Hey, we are the 8 o'clock cattery visit.
Oh yeah, sure. I can check you guys in. Check this out.
Here are the cats. Oh my god. It's so cute. Look at
Yeah.
He loves you to rub all over him.
And then there's Ciara.
There's 2 levels. There's another room down there.
You guys kind of hang out, yeah, just hand sanitize and come on in. And if they are, though, in a covered bed, like that gray one in the corner, just don't stick your hand in because Josh gets really freaked out. He's going to run back in there. That's that lovely little gray and white one on the corner over there on the floor.
Okay.
The minute you come in, he's going to run back in, but that's just because he's very nervous. All right, Marshall, step out of the way, baby. Get on in. That's Pepperoni.
Hey, Pepperoni. Hello. Oh my
He
gosh.
has extra toes happening right there on his feet.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
look at him.
He has 6 on each of the front paws, and his brother Ted downstairs has 6 on one and 7 on the other.
Hey.
Yes. That's Austin. He
Hey,
loves
Austin.
to pet him.
Hello.
He's such a lounge bug.
Hey, Austin.
This is Murph. His brother Juju is hanging around.
Oh my gosh.
Look, he just went his cave. He's like, get out of here. He's our eldest. He's 9 years old.
Oh, it looks like Sierra.
He's so like cranky.
Dude, this one's way bigger than
So they
Sierra.
all have claws and.
Yep, they all have claws. What is this? The photographers that come here, she does the ones that are out there too, and she just takes pictures. She's pretty much our social media woman. So she comes here and she makes that. Yeah, she did.
Hey, Mom, you want to go to the lower level? Let's go ahead.
Yeah, he's a purple color. It's okay, he goes down. He'll just like sit out here for a while.
Oh my gosh.
Grab his life.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Oh, I love this one.
Are you going to come with us?
Oh, I wanted to pet him. Here.
Look at that. More? We have more. Gentlemen.
Enjoy it.
Oh my gosh.
Is that
Hello.
Pepperoni got down here?
Did Pepperoni get out? Oh, dude. Mom, look at that one in the light. Oh,
That's Ted. That's Marshall's brother up there.
Ted. Hello. Oh, dude, there's one coming down from the ramp.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
That's Polly right there.
you got a black collar? Or purple? No, you don't. Hey, baby.
Figure it out. That's Valentino.
Valentino.
Who's
Ooh.
this? Who's this?
That's Polly. Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, your little baby one.
Pepperoni.
Oh, here, Mom, it's pepperoni right here.
Some nice pepperoni Japanese food. Is Cecil coming in or what? What's the
I'll
story?
get them. Sometimes they like to stay out.
Hello. Oh, guys, there's so many in here.
All the time.
Hey.
Oh, this one's cute.
I think a cat legit just opened this door.
Oh, yeah, they do know how to open doors.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
They know how to
guys
open
in
this.
particular know how to open doors. I'll just close it. It's okay. They're very good at it.
How many are back there?
Oh my god.
Come on.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, Mom, that's Ted up there.
Ted.
Hey, Ted. He's the one with a bunch of toes, I think. Yeah, he's the one with a bunch of toes.
Oh, he's hissing. It's okay.
Welcome to our house.
Hey, Ted. How you doing, Ted?
I like
Which one has been here the longest?
That would be Hopscotch, Nico, Toby, and Tony. They've been here over a year.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We went into the shelter and we said, give us the cat that has been here the longest.
The longest.
And they brought out a cat that had been here a year and we kept it.
There you go. That's normally how it happens.
There's a reason it when he does other cats.
Mike does that.
Look, he's looking at the camera. He's looking at the camera.
Massages.
Oh my gosh, no. Pepperoni, don't leave me. No,
See, look,
pepperoni.
cats love that. They love
Pepperoni.
that.
Oh, he just attacked one. He literally just ran and attacked one. Oh my gosh.
Attack mode.
Attack mode. Attack mode. Oh, it's the chase.
Fun at the cat cafe.
The chase.
Whoa.
Oh. Get him.
Oh my god.
What the heck? They're legit attacking each other.
The biting. They're just playing.
Oh, they look like brothers. You couldn't separate them. Here we are at the cat cafe.
Oh, get him.
Oh my gosh.
That one's got skills.
Oh, yo.
They're showing off now.
Yeah, they're just showing off.
Oh, look, there's 3.
Oh, he just batted him in the face.
Oh, it's sad.
Uh-oh.
He booped him.
He's booping him.
Oh no, buddy. Stay with me. Oh my gosh.
Oh
What the
my.
heck?
Oh my gosh.
Are you good, bro?
Yes.
Are you good, bro? Oh, parkour. Run.
The cat cafe.
Look at that one.
That was crazy.
Hey, Monty.
Look at him. He's the one with the extra colors,
Hello.
right?
Yeah. Somebody won that.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Titties.
He's big, Mom. He's
What if they're
big.
antisocial? You know?
Mom, and that one is big too. That one right there. The black one?
Yeah.
Oh, look, what is it?
That's that one that won't leave him alone and wants to like get on his neck. And you're like, get off me.
This is my boy Carlo right here.
That
Hey,
one
my
is
boy
beautiful.
Carlo.
That
Look
one
at
is
this
really beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that one. Is that a purple color?
Little black one's a little kitty.
Oh yeah. No, wait. No, that's a blue color. I think that means a purple color.
Have you ever noticed cats
Do you
try
like
to
it?
dominate each other by sitting on top of each other like high? They try to sit up high.
Like you
So
said, that one
I
dominates
can
the
never
world.
figure out
Oh, we got an attacker. We have an attacker.
Hey, bring him up here. Look.
the
Look.
monetization of this.
Oh crap.
Hey, look.
Like,
Bring it toward me.
We have an attacker. Come on.
yeah, but
Bring it
you
so he
know,
comes up here.
money, right? So
Okay, hold on.
my
Ooh.
question is,
Here, read. If you film,
No, up here.
you gotta film it. Now I'll
Okay.
bring him up. Come on, so we can gotta get their attention
how
first.
do they afford space like this?
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, up here now. Up here now.
The cat cafe where they all look like they're having such great
Oh, he's so
Whoa, look at
cute.
this. They're very active, these cats.
What the heck was that? Peanut butter. Don't die.
Peanut.
Oh boy.
Oh, we got an attacker.
Up here on me, look.
I will.
Watch.
You guys pay attention first.
Here we are at the Cat Cafe in New York City.
Hey, he does not look happy.
Years ago now.
Oh my gosh! He's trying to like, hey, buddy. Hey, you not. Okay, that's creepy. That's
I think
creepy.
He got his purple color off.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, can I pet?
Hey.
Okay. Please.
Hey, what, buddy? Hey. Whoa, my. Pet him.
You pet him for the camera. Oh.
You guys want to go back up?
Yeah, let's go up to the
Hey,
second.
he's trying to bite me. Look. Hey, look.
We are going back upstairs to go back to cattery number 1.
They're behind you. This door always sticks.
Those two black ones are so funny.
They were running everywhere.
I think we found out which one was the purple color without the collar.
Did he
Yeah.
come out of that room?
No, but
Oh,
He was slamming the door.
He was slamming it. I got video.
Yeah. He definitely knows how. Oh my goodness, these cats are crazy sometimes. It's so comical. I
I know,
love
they're
it.
so cute.
Mm-hmm.
got
That's
such a
Josh, and
playhouse.
Shockey's still out and hasn't run back into his hiding hole. It's like literally 25 minutes.
Well, before we leave, the Koneko Cat Cafe.
Boy.
Oh, dude, he's destroying stuff.
No.
First of all, to say it was awesome. These cats are so cool. But this one right here, he's a little not the happiest one. So just before we leave, I just gotta give him a little pet. Hey, buddy. Oh, hey.
He does not like cameras.
Oh, okay, that was sketchy. Oh, hey, buddy.
Just pet him nice.
Now this right here was a pretty bad idea. Oh my gosh! Dude! Why are you mad, bro? Okay, I ain't petting that boy. I ain't petting him no more.
Here, what about me? Hey,
Pet him.
hey.
Oh, yo! He got him.
Dude, no.
Oh.
Hey, please, I love you. I love you. That hurt, buddy.
Dude, one more time for the.
No, I'm not.
One more time for the vid.
Dude, he's strike ready. Hey,
Hey, buddy.
you're so cute.
Oh. Bye, everyone. Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy.
Whoa.
Bye, buddy. You're so cute. You're so young. You're such a youngin', and I just want to hug
Yeah, I
you.
started sweating when I started to try to pet him.
Bye, buddy. You're the mean one. Bye. Bye. I won't miss you. Okay, let's go. Koneko Cat
That one
Cafe.
just yelled at me.
Oh, he's like, don't leave. Do not leave. Okay, let's go back up.
No.
He can come outside, dude.
No.
Okay, let's go back upstairs.
Found by the manager here when they were 2 days old in a warehouse. So she brought them in, bottle fed them, nursed them back to health, and they're sticking around here. Is this Murph?
I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video at the Koneko Cat Cafe in New York. And come for yourself and check out all the cats. And every single cat is adoptable, so you could adopt them, which is pretty cool. And they also have just a regular cafe like that. Isn't that pretty cool, right? Yeah. So, bye everybody. See you in the next video. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me